Algebra trigonometry. LHS. Tan a minus 2 tan cube. Sin a minus 2 sin cube a. 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Common sin a 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos a 2 cos square a minus 1. Sin a cos a 0 tan a. 1 minus 2 sin square 1. Cos square 0 1 minus sin square. This calculation 2 minus 2 sin square minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square, 1 minus 2 sin square, cutting. Then 10a. RSS proved. Was this real as this? And study proof only. Please, all of you subscribe. Please subscribe me, all of you progressive minded. Please, thank you very much. I must be grateful to you. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me and encourage.